Hi guys, welcome to Watkins Way. Today we're going to make a cherry cobbler in a cast iron skillet. We're going to start everything I make. Start with a stick of butter. And our ingredients is going to be a 21-ounce can of cherry pie filling. And we're just going to dump this in here and we want to heat it up. This is my mom's recipe. And she always told me, she goes, heat it up. She's making a cobbler, peach cobbler, blackberry cobbler, cherry cobbler. So my mom said heat it up. I don't know why, but I'm gonna do what she said. Okay, so our ingredients is gonna be a cup, a cup, a cup. We're gonna do a cup of sugar, a cup of, this is important, use whole milk. Don't use the skim milk or low fat. So a cup of this whole milk. And a cup of, this is important too, self-rising flour. It's got to be self-rising flour. Then we're going to mix our batter up. And we always pour the batter in first. So we're going to melt our butter. We're going to add the batter first, and then we're going to spoon in our cherries. All right, batter is done. The stick of butter is just about melted. I think it's melted enough. And remember I told you, always pour the batter in first. So we're just going to pour the batter in. And scrape the edges here, get all of this good stuff here. And then we got our cherries heating on the stove behind me. So I'm going to go over and get that. So we're going to just, you know, I put some like that. And we'll put some over here. And remember, we heated the cherries up. It's easier to work with the cherries. Okay, this looks pretty good right here. Yeah, my mom, this recipe was passed down from her mom, and my mom lived to be 96 years old. So this is a family recipe for probably well over 100 years. All right. And back then, they didn't really have the glass dishes like they do today. I mean, they had a lot of cast iron skillets, so they made a lot of stuff, cornbread, and a lot of stuff in the cast iron skillet. So I got my oven heating for 350 degrees. So we're gonna slide this in here on the center rack, close the door. We're going to cook it at 350 degrees for 1 hour. Give 1 hour. Okay, our 45 minutes is up, so let's check our cherry cobbler cooking here in our cast iron skillet. So, it's going to be hot. Oh. All right. There's our cherry cobbler. You know what goes good with cherry cobbler is a little bit of Cabernet. So ice cream would be okay, but I'd rather have Cabernet. So let me sample this. That does look good. A little hot. Watch this. I'm going to show you how the bread, look at that. Crusty bread. Look at that. Crusty on the outside, bread on the inside. So good. All right, thanks for watching. Oh yeah, I want to give a shout out to my granddaughter, Gabby, that goes to the University of North Carolina, Asheville. Go Bulldogs. She's a freshman there, so I wanted to just let her know that I'm doing good and proud of you. So anyway, take care guys, please subscribe. Talk to you later. Bye.